Alright, this is the elevator at the International Baggage Claim of Elevationville International Airport in Elevationville. Here it is. Wow! A Kone KSS 470? Two's locked. ER. Alright. Here we go. Here we are. T. It's a pretty nice elevator. Here's your fixtures. And the weird thing is the panel is on the right, and